Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to install Java Development Kit JDK, how to set path in Java Home for Java programming. Open any browser. Type JDK download in browser search bar. Select latest JDK version, click Windows, find your system type. Click Start, Settings, click About, in my case system type is 64-bit. Download and install Java Development Kit. Open File Explorer. Open Program Files, Java, JDK, bin folder. Copy folder path. Type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables. Select Path, click Edit, click New, paste the folder path. Click New System Variables. Type Java_home. Click Browse Directory. Select JDK folder. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Java C space, -version. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.